Instagram is blocking your followers. I'm going to quickly show you how Instagram blocks your followers to stop some number of people from following you real quick. So you're just going to go to the hamburger icon, the three lines on the top right corner. You click on that and you scroll down and change these settings. So you're going to say something like follow and invite friends. So you click on that. If this flag for review for followers under this follower section, you say flag for review. If you toggle on like this, switch it off like this so that you don't get your followers being held for reviews and seeing them as spams now because of the kind of account they have. So you're just going to go back like this and see this. Click on your following, then under the following section, you go to followers. You will see some kept for review, flagged for review. You can see this, flagged for review. You will be seeing loads of followers who have been waiting for you to review them before they can be following you. And you have to accept them one by one. So you're just going to see them. You say 735 followers. They are waiting for you to review them if they are spam or irrelevant accounts from your following list. So once this has been checked, then you have to do this next step.